Welcome on a virtual shop tour in Kelvion, located in beautiful city of Opole. As every tour needs a guide, I will be the one. You can call me Marcin. Please follow me. Polish Kelvion workshop is located in Industrial Park area in city of Opole. We will introduce our capabilities basing on example of transformer oil cooler manufacturing cycle that we will describe step by step. Every heat exchanger adventure starts in the offices before handover to the shop floor. Let's have a look what the coffee drinkers are doing now. We are receiving inquiries for heat exchangers from customers all over the world. To maintain high level of customer service, all inquiries are registered in Microsoft Dynamics CRM system. This allows us to organize work of proposal team and ensure shortest possible response time. Preparing quotation requires several engineering activities like thermal design of the cooler, fan section, noise level calculation and also preliminary drawing preparation. Offer preparation engineer is responsible for manufacturing cost calculation, which contains bill of materials and bill of labor. The final stage of the process is creation of the offer together with offer drawing and submit it to the customer. After receiving an order, project manager registers that in ERP system, prepare project plan, analyze possible risk and set up project team. All project management activities are ISO and Prince certified. This teamwork across departments leads to achieve final goal, satisfied customer. Main engineering process consists of 3 steps: mechanical design, electrical design and production technology preparation. 3D modeling and 2D drawings are main steps for first stage. Next, strength calculations are done, both from pressure vessel point of view and support structure where FEA analysis can be involved. Later on, electric connection diagram for the fans is created. When creating technology, we are using many internally developed tools like configurators, bill of material and bill of labor. After receiving the bill of labor and bill of material from our engineers, it's the planning department's duty to fit the order into the production schedule using the APS system. After this step, we know the exact dates needed for just-in-time delivery of our components made externally, as well as dates for the components to be made on site. To ensure the flawless production execution, we provide more detailed plans to the individual production areas. Request for quotation commodity buyer receives through the ERP system directly from engineering department with detailed specification and drawings. After review of best offers, purchase order is issued and delivery date confirmed in ERP system. For this confirmed delivery day, supplier receives QR code to be scanned on the entrance gate. For recurrent repetitive materials, to assure 100 on-time delivery, we practice consignment stock, Kanban, scheduled deliveries and call-off deliveries from supplier's stock. Local buyers cooperate strongly with global commodity managers to assure the best required quality for the most competitive price. This assures efficient global and local sourcing. Okay, so we have heat exchanger ready. On the paper, parts are purchased, technology and planning is ready. Now it's the time to get dirty. After unloading the goods, inspector checks compliance of the goods with the order in terms of quantity and quality, as well as a set of documents, for example certificates. If the goods are in compliance, quality inspector puts green label on the goods which are put on the stock. Weekly planning and execution meetings are held to reaffirm the completion of schedule and troubleshoot any potential issues. Majority of our components we produce ourselves using modern machinery like laser beam fin-to-tube welding machine, bending, grinding and cutting machines, as well as CNC station. The first stage of product assembly. From very beginning, we attach great importance to the quality of components, which is checked by employees on a regular basis at every stage of production. Each employee confirms the performance of activities in MES system, which allows for efficient monitoring of the production process and perfectly supports the planning and decision-making process.
Every heat exchanger flows with a detailed documentation. Besides drawings, you will find here detailed technology with barcodes that describe step by step all manufacturing processes. This is also used for KPIs. Efficiency rates for different product lines as well as current workload are visible. Every employee has access to this information.
In order to be competitive, we continuously improve our lean manufacturing systems, including 5S, Kanban, visual management, RIFA time analysis, and many more. To ensure high quality and repeatability of welding process, we use special welding materials and a convenient welding position. Each welded joint is subjected to non-destructive testing, like penetrant test under the supervision of quality control, the customer or notified body. Only positive test release element to the next stage of production. To improve skills of our welders, we train them internally for multiple welding technologies. Transformer oil manufacturing line consists additional processes to ensure high purity of equipment. Internal tubes cleaning, special headers design and handling, as well as oil flushing and purity tests are done to ensure our customers will not find any metal particles in oil flow that may lead to serious consequences. Header closing procedure needs to be done quickly, since with the time passing we could observe rust formation on a header surface. The technologically advanced installation of pressure tests and flushing of exchangers confirmed by tests in our own laboratory ensures high quality of products in accordance with the highest standards.
This is final assembly of transformer oil cooler. This heavy-duty welded bundle Cinderella transforms into colorful, shiny and fan-equipped princess.
The knowledge and experience of employees is crucial for the final assembly of components, in particular when it comes to advanced installations for cooling transformer systems. Paint systems are adapted to the operating conditions of coolers at the construction stage. A wide range of systems used allows us to meet the expectations of the most demanding customers. The assembly of electrical and control elements, sensors or electrical and automation installations is also within the scope of our capabilities. To be sure that electronic or mechanical elements work properly, Their assembly is completed with a test according to the appropriate procedure. We adapt the packaging to the conditions and type of transport, destination and above all individual customers' requirements using global standards. It takes place in a special designated area which also includes the final inspection of the product before it is sent to the customer. We cooperate with many shipping companies which, apart from the standard transport, are able to offer us large-size transportation.
This beautiful equipment here is something what we call a chicken house. It's because the internal part looks like a chicken wrapped up in aluminum foil. But putting chicken jokes on side, we talk about heat recovery module. This is equipment designed to recover heat getting out of the capstone microturbine which generates electricity. So this is pretty nice example of trigeneration and cogeneration setup. Heat exchanger is only the part inside here, but we have a lot of equipment that works together with that, like a flow meter, like a temperature measurement system. We have a bypass integrated with actuator. All ends up here in electrical box that makes this equipment plug and play. We are in the final stage of our heat exchanger's life cycle. Our babies took a bath and got a brand new painting. We don't hold units in storage, just send them out with a just-in-time philosophy. That was a pleasure to be your guide today. I'm looking forward for our face-to-face meeting.
Akcja!